How to lock Android Gallery. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to lock Android Gallery. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down. Look for the option of Privacy. Select Privacy next to Permissions. Under Privacy Protection, navigate to App Lock. Make sure that you enter the privacy password. You will navigate to this page where you will see all your applications on your device. Simply you need to scroll down. Look for the option or application of photos or gallery. So suppose here we have got the option of photos. So you can easily toggle on the button for photos and the Google Photos as well. This will lock both of your Android's photos or gallery. When you tap on the lock next to the all section, here you will see that we have already locked Android Gallery. So that is how we can easily lock our photos in Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.